guys, it's Erika, and we are going to be checking out B Rain and Soyou, 시작할까, which I think translates to beginning. I am super duper excited for this. This is a collaboration between Ray and Soyou. Yes, please, thank you. I don't know why I try to sing there when I can't sing. Super duper excited. I have no idea what to expect, but you know what? Let go. Oh, it's a Pepsi thing. It's a Pepsi thing. Excuse me? Yes. So you, yes, girl, coming in with some vocals. I'm feeling this collaboration already. Please enjoy my dogs fighting on my bed. These two beautiful voices come together to make a track like this. It's what the world needs. Han River busking? Why not? Like a lot more heavy English than I was expecting. It's all Gucci though. I shouldn't complain. Sorry, my phone. It was like school stuff, so thought I'd peep it. It's just extra credit. Look at the little dragonflies. They're Pepsi. Pepsi bringing people together like never before. This video, not sponsored by Pepsi. This is just fun. That's a beautiful shot. Pepsi party, hello. If it's free, I mean, why not? Oh, look at the cool lights they got. How cute. Song, fantastic. The little music video accompanying it was pretty great too. I liked it. For the love of it. Yeah, like honestly, Rain and Soyou's voices fit so well together. I wish there could be more future collaborations between them because this one was so fantastic. Oh my god, I loved it. Thank you, Pepsi, for bringing us this song. There's a cute music video too as well. Drink Pepsi, I guess, because not enough people drink Pepsi. So yes, I enjoyed it. The song was great. The music video was cute too. So nothing to complain about here. Go to put your thoughts in the comments down below. What you thought about Rain and Soyou's beginning. Your thoughts in the comments down below. If you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you liked me and you want to see more of my videos, go and hit the subscribe button. If you want to see my videos the second they come out, hit that notification button. If you want to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, either in the description down below or at the end screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
show you 다 보여줄게 너를 봐도 다 보고 싶어 하나 둘부터 열까지 시작할까
Wanna show you 더 보여줄게 너를 봐도 더 보고 싶어